everyone, this is Chandani Vik and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a green metallic smoky eye going on. Smoky eyes helps you make a statement always, whether it's for any occasion or goes perfectly with any outfit, but it is a little bit on the dramatic side, so make sure you have something like this going on for the night time. If you would like to learn how to do this, without further ado, let's begin. I've already done one eye, so you have a reference point as to what we're going to be trying to achieve on the other one. Let's begin with that. I'm going in with the Morphe 35O eyeshadow palette. Taking this color right here, I'm just going to be putting it on a fluffy blending brush and putting it right onto the crease as well as a little above it. The next eyeshadow color is going to be this chocolate brown. I'm taking it on a blending brush again. This is MAC 217, but it's smaller than the one that we had used previously. This is going right onto the crease. I'm going back to this light brown and then we'll go on to this chocolate one for the lower lash line. The next color is going to be the green eyeshadow, but because I have brown all over my eyelid, I just want to clear that a bit and then apply the green to really pop out. Otherwise the brown and the green is just going to get mixed and it will not give me the intensity that I'm looking for. For that, I'm just going to be taking a skin colored concealer and applying on my eyelid before the green eyeshadow. So moving on to the green, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favours the Brave eyeshadow palette. It has lovely colors in it, including the green that I'll be using today. This is the green that I'll be using, and then moving on to this one. Let's start with this. Taking this green on a smudger brush, I'm going to apply this on the lower lash line. Going in with this metallic green, I'm just going to apply this little bit onto the eyelid. Time to highlight the brow bone. Going in with this highlighter right here. I'm using a green eye pencil for the lower waterline. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. So the eyes are done. I'm going to do up my face, my lips and everything and come back to you. So there you go ladies. Thanks so much for tuning in yet again. I'll be back with a brand new look next week. If you want to know what are the products used and what are the brushes used for this look, please make sure and see the description below this video. I'll be back next week. Please do like, comment and subscribe to see more from me. Till then, bye bye. Cheers guys. Take care.